Did you know that one bad decision destroyed the most powerful kingdom in the ancient history? When King Solomon died, his son Rehoboam inherited a magnificent but angry nation. The people were broke and exhausted from building Solomon's golden temples and palaces. At his coronation, they made one simple request through their leader Jeroboam: please lighten our crushing taxes and stop forcing us to work without pay. Rehoboam had a choice. His wise old advisors said, serve the people today and they will serve you forever. But his young friends had different advice. Be even harsher than your father, they said. Make their burden heavier and beat them with scorpions instead of whips. Rehoboam chose pride over wisdom. In his very first speech as king, he threatened to make their lives worse. The reaction was instant. 10 tribes rebelled immediately, following Jeroboam to form their own kingdom. Rehoboam was left with only 2 tribes. One moment of arrogance split Israel forever. True leadership means serving others, not dominating them.